This is a live demonstration to show an example of how a non-Wi-Fi device, such as an old 2.4 GHz cordless phone, could affect your overall 2.4 GHz wireless experience. Here I'm using EarthCam to view live streaming video of Times Square. I'm daydreaming instead of working. I'm expecting a call from my travel agent Bob so that I can book my travel. Hey Bob. Oh man, there goes my lousy wireless network. So what happened? My laptop's associated to Access Point's 2.4 GHz radio. I received a call on a 2.4 GHz phone which pretty much destroyed my wireless connection. The phone is a non-802.11 device that uses the 2.4 GHz frequency. Since it doesn't follow the 802.11 rules, it's just medium usage or noise to my laptop. Now this is an older phone that you don't see much of these days. I keep it as a reminder of why we want to push more devices to 5 GHz. And of course, now that the call ended, my wireless network did come back.